What's going on, folks? It's day 13. And y'all see, we at 9 piles. 8.5. Oh, regardless. Flipping these probably won't. It cut me off in the middle of saying it, but probably won't flip these. Rather just probably rake this one up into a better looking pile. I think animal comes and sits on here throughout the day. So yeah, raking this one back up. Now we looking all better. Okay. I need to add some more to this. But that's it for outside, folks. Alright, before the day went out, I wanted to bring y'all an update on the worms. So I'm about to go through them. But start off with 24 baby night crawlers in here, 12 grown ones, and these are worms from out the piles in the backyard. Here go the babies. Yeah, these motherfuckers look grown. But they're half. I was saying in the last one, I got half in there and then half in here. I ain't gonna disturb them too much. But here they go. And then the grown side. That one over here more. This one folded up. I had half in there, and then here's the other half. These ones are big, huge. Just to show that they're alive type deal. And then in this tiny like sauce cup or whatever, I got two baby like regular worms from out the compost pile. I put them in here to test out and see if the compost was actually good, moist, but they're doing all right. And then in this one, I have some larger worms from the compost pile, like that one there. You can tell they're older by that band right there.